How do you start a hedge fund? Have you ever wondered what it takes to start your own hedge fund? It's an exciting venture that combines investment strategies with the principles of capitalism. Let's break down the steps you need to take to get started. First, you need to develop a solid concept and strategy. This means defining what your hedge fund will focus on. You might choose specific asset classes, sectors, or geographic regions. The goal is to create a strategy that attracts investors looking for returns that do not follow traditional market trends. Next, you will need to establish a legal structure for your hedge fund. Most hedge funds are set up as limited partnerships or limited liability companies. This legal framework must comply with local laws and regulations governing investment funds. Once your legal structure is in place, it's time for registration and compliance. While hedge funds have some exemptions from securities regulations, they still need to follow certain laws. For example, in the United States, hedge funds with assets under management above a specific threshold must register with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Now comes the important step of capital raising. Hedge funds typically requiring significant capital to operate effectively. The minimum capital needed can often exceed $100 million. Your investors will likely include high net worth individuals, family offices, and institutional investors. As you gather your capital, you should also focus on assembling a strong team. This team should consist of experienced professionals, including portfolio managers, analysts, and operational staff. Their expertise will be essential for making informed investment decisions and managing the fund's operations. You will also need to create a fee structure for your hedge fund. A common model is the 2-and-20 structure. This means investors pay a 2% management fee on their investment and a 20% performance fee on any profits generated. This structure incentivizes fund managers to maximize returns. Marketing and investor relations are crucial for attracting investors. You will need to develop a marketing strategy that includes creating a strong brand and producing marketing materials. Engaging with potential investors through networking events and presentations can also be beneficial. Finally, you must set up your operations. This includes establishing relationships with service providers like prime brokers, custodians, and auditors. These partners are vital for executing trades, safeguarding assets, and ensuring compliance with financial reporting requirements. Starting a hedge fund is about creating a business that can attract capital and compete in the financial markets. It requires a solid understanding of market trends, investment strategies, and regulatory compliance. By following these steps, you can position yourself to successfully launch your hedge fund in the dynamic world of capitalism.